I said, how you guys doing? I'm like, wait, somebody's answering. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hey guys!
Hey guys.
Hey guys!
Welcome back.
Welcome back to Not So Scary Mary TV. We're here at Fairfield Inn and Suites, and we're
Flamingo
doing
Crossing Town Square. It's a very long name.
That was very long.
Oh,
Yeah,
we forgot to mention we have a
Camera lady.
Camera lady. That's your okay.
Okay,
She went from passenger princess to camera lady.
that was the other video.
Oh, that was the.
She wears many hats.
Okay.
We have the lovely Dawn. Dawn, would you say hello?
Hi, Dawn.
Yay! You guys would probably recognize that greeting from Nice Work Pal. Go subscribe. You'll see their name at the end of our video, our friends of the channel.
Yep.
Okay, let's go see our room.
Let's check it out.
Yeah. It is. J. Willard Marriott. He's squeezing his cheeks.
Thank you, Mr. Marriott.
Oh, look. View of the trees.
It's a curtain. I'm like, wow, they have a film in it.
That's cool.
Hold on. Okay, well, you gotta be strong.
There it is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Around here we got 2 double beds.
They look like queen sizes.
I think they are queen size.
Nice.
And it does smell very clean in here. The
Very
carpet
clean.
seems relatively new.
Yes.
You have a desk. You can edit here. Your lamp.
I love lamp.
I love lamp. Look here, how pretty storage. We can put our luggage stuff
Ooh,
up here.
drawers.
We have a little kitchenette area. Let me see. Let's put the light so we can see better.
That is a like.
Oh, that is a light. Never mind.
Ooh, little
Okay, that is a light.
microwave.
Little dim in here. Okay, so we have a little refrigerator. Yeah, a little stuck there. Let me see. Ooh, chili.
Nice. I
Clean.
can feel it.
Clean, okay. Cups, coffee maker. You got a microwave? Clean microwave, yeah. And an ice bucket.
Hey, what are you doing? Are you filming?
Are you in the
See?
shower?
Wait.
Are you filming, babe?
Oh, babe, we just got here. Okay, cut, cut. Okay, and here's the restroom.
It's a nice size sink.
It is. We can put our stuff. I always put my stuff, Benny's stuff. Yay! And that's it. The shower does have body wash, shampoo and conditioner. And it is a pretty large sized restroom.
Yes.
This comes with breakfast included, so I'm excited about that. And you can't beat it. We're how far from the parks? 5 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, maybe. So we'll give you an honest review. Yeah, that was a yogurt machine. We had so much fun. It was affordable. You had breakfast, and look at all the amenities it had. Now at the end, you're going to see us tapping into the yogurt vending machine. And I'll be honest, it was pretty good. We loved it. Here we go. We just found it fascinating how it automatically has its little arm, serves a yogurt, and then you pick, I believe, 2 toppings. You can't double up on a topping because I wanted double peanuts, but I had to pick peanuts, and I think I got sprinkles. But the flavor was on point, and I believe they had 2 flavors, and it was great. Well, we hope you loved this video. It was definitely sweet. Get it? Sweet. We had such a good time. We enjoyed this yogurt with Jim and Don from Nice Work Pal. And we're going to list all our friends at the end of this video. Scuda Adventures, Theme Park Giant, Cruise and Theme Park Guide, A Bouncing Journey. And don't forget Nemad on Instagram, Art by Nemad. And if I forgot anybody, you'll see them at the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe to all their channels. And thank you guys for watching our video. And if you're interested in staying here at this location where we did, we'll leave the address below. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We reply to all our comments. And we love you guys. Thank you, because our channel's growing, and it's because of all of you. Thank you for your support. We'll see you next time.